Yes. Yeah. Yes. Very good afternoon, dear students. Before starting the session, I want to say one important thing. See, this is not the regular class. Please take this from your mind. This is not a regular class. This is a session we are going to discuss about your career, and I'm going to share the experience of my career. That's it. So you have the opportunity to speak a lot through this program. Okay, even though I have a presentation, the presentation is not like a theory, things like a lot of points. Nothing is there. Only the coach is there. You have to show your participation. So please, wherever you want to share, please try to share all the informations and be participative. Don't be ideal. So you can end this weekend with motivation and with happiness, so that you can take this happiness to the next year. Because after one week you'll be getting to the new year. So we have a hope to start the new year with a lot of joy and happiness. So I welcome you all for this wonderful career orientation session on three C's of life, which was organized by Center for Soft Skill Training, Christy Jayanthy College. And I am Professor T. Somasundaram from Department of Management. So once again, I welcome all the BA and BBA students. So before going to the session, okay, so I want to know, you can put it in the chat box, dear students. After knowing this title, what is three C's in your life? Okay, so what you thought apart from chance and choice? You can put it in the chat box. What you thought, sir, apart from chance and choice, what are the other options you had in your mind? You can put it in the chat box. You can interact, students. It is not that I'm going to take a class. This is not the class. Yes, career, competition, career orientation, about career. Clarity, very good. Clarity, Varun has given answer, clarity. Career, character, competition. Yes. Creativity, confidence, change, yes, confidence, consistency, change, communication, very good. Very good for your reply. Okay, see, when you hear about these three C's, you told that, sir, career is the main important thing, right, in your life. Okay, so life is different, career is different. Okay, when you have to start your career at a certain point of time. That should be very clear. It is not that after completing the age 30 or 35, can you go for an higher undergraduate or can you study PU? No, right? So your career should start at certain point. Understand? So that career is depend upon various factors. Okay, the two important things is like choice and then chance and then your career. So under the choice and chance only, whatever you told, right? Confident, creativity, communication, commitment, everything is there. Okay, you have a lot of choice in your life, no doubt, right? Okay, even before joining this Christy Jayanthy College, you had a lot of choice. Which college you want to join, which course you want to join. You have a lot of choice in front of you. Whether I want to join the BBA, BSc, BA, or I want to join BA in Christy Jayanthy or Indian Academy or Presidency College or CMR, you had a lot of choice, right? So everything is depend upon choice. From that choice, you had an opportunity, chance to join Christy Jayanthy College, BA, BBA, BCA. From that, you need to start develop your career. For that, you need to have a confidence. You should show your commitment. You should learn a lot of things to become a creative person. That is very, very important, right? Okay, good. See, first lane, you should know three important lanes in your life. The first lane is what? The choice. Okay, you have a choice, right? Okay, so you have a lot of choice in your day-to-day life. Okay, so you have a choice to choose what is your favorite food. Discussed, right? We have a many choice in our life, but from that choice only, we should create an opportunity chance to choose your career. Be clear in that. Now you had a choice before joining Christianity College, but based on certain factors, you choose Christianity College as a learning platform for your career. Now you have to decide about your futures. Here we have a lot of choices. Not only the subject or the course or the program. You have, apart from that, you have a lot of things to learn. So life is a choice. You have a many choice in your life, but take a right choice which will helpful for your career. That is very, very important, right? Okay, so how many of you accept whether it's a first picture or the second picture? Sir, are you doing life or life is doing you? How many of you saying that first picture? Very good, Himaja, very good. First. So for all the people, it's the first picture, right? Yes, Sharon's second picture. Yes, most of the people are saying first. That means you know your destination. That means you are decided that this is my career. I want to become like this. So you are moving your career according to your life. So in your life, you choose this is your career, this is the designation, this is the thing I'm going to do after 5 years or 10 years. But see, there are some people they are giving the second picture is my picture because his life is doing you. That means you, even though you have a lot of choice, but you cannot able to run your life according to the factors, according to the favorite thing. Okay, most probably many people will say that, sir, I plan to become like this, I plan to do like this, but no opportunity, no chance. Okay, if life is going like that, I am also going behind that. Okay, so please know the difference between the first and the second picture. If you want to make your life how you desire, how according to your wish, think that you should have a choose a right choice. That is very, very important. And that right choice should be depend upon your interest. It is not that it is okay, but you have to take a chance. You should not say that, sir, I'm not getting a chance at all. Take a chance. If you are not getting a chance, create a chance. If you take a chance, you have the opportunity to do. Whether you are doing right or wrong, that doesn't matter. You should make a mistake. Okay, no one will do in a perfect way. Everyone will make a mistake, but the mistakes is what? Learning experience. See, Harish has told that making choice is easy, right? But making it as a chance is difficult. Rightly said. Okay, you can have a lot of choice, but that choice you should convert into a chance. The choice is yours. Okay, it choice is given to you. It is your decision to convert into opportunity or not. Right? That's how you will grow. Right? Okay. So see, do you think that there is no chance in the pandemic situation? How many of you think that, sir, I had a chance in the pandemic situation, whether it's for your individual development or a career growth or for some other purpose? You have a chance. What chance you had, Arsha? Can you tell me what chance you had in the pandemic? Yes, you can share in the chat box. If you have a chance in the pandemic, what chance you got? It can be anything. It can be about your personal development or related to any other people. Sir, I had a chance in the pandemic that I started online coaching. Okay, very good, Joshua. Okay, what you had, you to learn new skills to act, know the value of person. Yes, see, Adri has told that he has got the chance to mingle with the people, personal relationship. Very good, good. I got a change to spend time with family. That was not only you, everyone got the chance. I could learn guitar. Very good. Ash Pandey told that he started learning guitar in the pandemic. He got the chance. Before that, he may think that I don't have a chance because of school, tuition, and exams. I don't have a chance. But this pandemic made him as a chance. Good. Sir, I had a chance to give my hobbies time. Very good. Dance. She has started teaching dance through online. Varsha, very good. You started working out. Divya started working out. See, okay, so the people, those are thinking that, sir, I don't have a chance in the pandemic. See, this is a picture will give you what chance they have. See this? See this two guy? You are saying that, see, already there is information that some 4.4 million people has lost their job. Migrant workers. See the two people, after a job loss also, the first guy, he writes e-book that's make him career success. He is not dependent upon the particular job because he lost his job due to this pandemic situation. He only not many people has lost his job, but he didn't lose his hope. See, he has started writing ebook. That's why I told you the technology has become a now important factor for personal development. Yes, Kishore. Yes, see, Kishore has given the answer. He has utilized the pandemic to invest in stocks. Good. See the second guy, he has sold 17,700 sanitizer bottles. And now there is a boom demand for the mask, the gloves, the sanitizer. See, you had a chance during pandemic. You cannot say that, sir, this is an epic side. No, maybe it may be 50%, but 50% you had a chance. The remaining 50%, the people are converting into a chance. You are converting this pandemic situation as an opportunity. You can see now how many people have developed themselves with the help of the technology for the past 7 to 8 months. See, one person has once told that I learned guitar, I started dancing, I started teaching through online, I started cooking, I started investing my money. See, this is the chance you got, right? So chance is there at all time. You cannot say, even in pandemic. Okay, so Kaladan has told that he has got a chance to realize up and down of life. Good. Because this is a situation where you can realize many things. Very good, sir. My brother went viral with forum views on Instagram during pandemic. Very good. See, his brother has went 4 million views on Instagram during this pandemic. Maybe is whatever the work he does. Okay, very good. Appreciable to your brother Hashpande. Okay, choice. Okay, this is one of the important level. This is one of the important level where you can shift yourself based on the choice and chance that you got in your life. See, basically, you got a choice to have this life, right? You don't know what will be your next life or what is your previous life also. At present, you got this choice to be a human being. Okay, and you have got a chance in each and every stage to crawl, to walk, to run, to fly, to perform, to achieve many things. So, if you want to grow in your career, don't be in always in a comfort zone. That will not work out. Sir, this is enough, sir. There are some people. What do you want to become means, sir, I am from Bangalore. I am brought up and born in Bangalore. Okay, I want to study in the same college in Bangalore. I want to work in a company. I want to marry a girl from Bangalore. I want to work here itself. I want to build 2 or 3 houses. I want to settle. That's it. This is not a growth. This is you're comfortable. You're in a comfort zone. You don't want to take a risk. And also you don't want to get a chance. Come out from that comfort zone. If you want to be unique and if you want to get an appraisal from many people, or if you want to be different, if you want to explore your quality, skill, capability, you should come out from that comfort zone. Okay, so when you come out from the comfort zone, you may have a fear. You may be scared because this is the first time you're coming out from your first level. So you may have a lot of fear and scared with a lot of things. You will have very less confidence, but you should show interest and enthusiasm. You can do it. Okay, sir, I had a chance, but when I got this chance, I never performed well. I am bad in that. No, don't worry. You will learn from that mistake. That's a learning zone. Start dealing with the challenges. From that experience, start learning a new skills and go towards your destination, growth zone. There you can have your own dreams, creativity. You can have your goals for your life. That is what the things you need to be there in your career. So this is one of the 4 different levels you need to reach choices to get many chances in your life for what? For your career growth. Yes, good. Yes, there are many things on the chat box. They are saying Elon Musk is better for learning, Abdul Kalam for program. Yes, we can say many things. Why I quoted these two people are these are the some of the two people are talk of the town now. Okay, the recent development. We can say if you want to say, you can say there are many people. So there are only Abdul Kalam, Elon Musk, and then Jeff Bezos. There are a lot of people, or even men, women. There are a lot of success people out there in the world. We can take their life as a example, but don't think that you need to follow them. You can take it as a one of the motivational factor. Okay, you have to realize that what you all want to become. Okay, yes. So this is the level you need to develop yourself. Of course, see, chances depend upon your situation. Choices depends upon your attitude. Whether you want to take that choice or not, it is depend upon attitude. Really, if you want to become a person like this, or celebrity like this, or if you want to be in this position, choice is given to you, but you have to take that choice. But the chances depend upon this. If you are taking a right choice, you will get a right chance, which will make you a right carrier. So that is very important. And the third lane is, finally we come to the third lane called carrier. See the picture. If you know your lane, your carrier will be in a good position. See the car. See, he is saying that I know my lane, so he is driving and he hit the lamp. He hit that barricade. This is what many people's carriers. You are saying that I know about my carrier, I can think. Okay, you choose a right choice and make it as a right chance, then you will have a very good lane for your career. That is very, very important. Okay, so the third important lane in your life is career. Now, who is responsible for planning your career? Whether you or your friends or your relatives or your family, like either your mom or dad, yourself, you, I, it's me. You're resourceful, conventional, knowledge. You have to think in which area you are interested. In which area you want to explore. If you are good in sport, try to explore yourself as a sports celebrity. In future, you will have a very good opportunity, right? And discover yourself. This is very important. You people can do the SWOT analysis. SWOT. What is your strength, weakness, opportunity, threat? According to that, you can design your career. Sir, this is my strength. According to the strength, I have this lot of choices and chance. I want to promote that. Yes, you had. Go ahead. So do SWOT analysis for yourself, and that's very important. And have a smart goal setting. You cannot have, sir, I want to become a sports person plus a guitar playlist and a CEO. If you want to decide that this is my career, have a smart goal towards your career. Make that particular career to be fulfilled. So smart goal setting, always specific, be specific, measurable, attainable. You should be able to achieve that. You should be able to reach that. And you should have a time bound limitation should be there. Without that, if you are planning that, sir, I want to become like this, how many years? After certain years, it will go like that. Have a time bound. So after certain period, you should have a very good career in your life. That is what I'm saying. So you can create your successful changes for your career. Know your skills. That is very important. You have a lot of choices and chance to know your skill. Do SWOT analysis. Okay, and go ahead with what kind of careers you want. Whether you have a chance to have your career in this sector. Okay, and get a lot of information and learn a lot of things. Update yourself. That is very important. Update yourself and spend a lot of time to learn from your experience from others and design your career. That is very, very important. Okay, right? See, do you think this is permanent? I think whether I don't know that whether you have seen this picture. This is a picture was circulating during this pandemic. How many of you seen these pictures in WhatsApp, in Facebook, in Instagram? This is the picture was circulating. Uh, yeah. Okay. During this pandemic, this is a picture was circulating. Okay. So, do you think that this is a permanent or any person can change this picture? After this, I'll show the same picture, but we can change it in a different way. Can anyone can come out with a creative idea how we can change this picture with the certain quotes? How, Arvind? Yes, sir. How? See, 20 years ago, we had a Cash, Bob Hope, and Steve Jobs. Yes, Nikhil?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Nikhil.
Sir, 20 years ago, we had the legends who created the world's biggest wonder, sir.
Okay.
The giant companies, but we don't have now, they are not alive.
Okay.
So we have, we can relate to today, we can bring we can be the same persons now also, sir. We can bring them back.
Okay, fine, fine. You are getting into that part. Okay, good. Very good.
Yes,
Very
yes.
good, Nikhil.
Thank
Thank you. So he told that like those people also we can become. But my question is, I'm just given that do you think this is a permanent with the arrow mark with quoting the two statement? Today we have no cash, no hope, and no jobs. How we can change that? It's a simple. If you show the picture, you will think that's like a funny sir. You can relate this picture with present situation, okay? But I'm asking that, do you think the two lines will be the permanent or how we can change? They have everything now, creativity solves everything, so we can be there for next. Of course, yes, right? Definitely you will be there. Yes, Adira.
Uh, Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Adira.
So we can change it in two ways from my perspective.
Yeah,
The
tell
first
me.
one would be 20 years ago we had Johnny Cash, Bob Hope, and Steve Jobs.
Okay.
Today we have you, me, and world together.
Okay,
That's
okay.
that's one.
That's what it.
Second one would be 20 years ago we had Johnny Cash, Bob Hope, and Steve Jobs. Today we have Cash, Hope, and Jobs. Just
We have
change no.
cash. No from okay. Okay, very good. You came near that. Okay, very good, Adira. Thank you. So what she told us was okay, but it's slight bit change had changed here. See, you rotate that picture 36 degree so that it will change. How? Tomorrow, cash on, hope on, jobs on. I told you right, it's be like a funny. Don't think that sir, I don't have a no. Okay, tomorrow we will have a cash. It is on. Hope also will be switched on. Jobs also will be switched on. Okay, so this is like funny. So this is what you have to think. Don't think that it is permanent. Everything will change. Who knows that after 6 months we'll be having online classes? We are doing that, right? So this is a very interesting thing. So always have a choice in your life. Take a chance and reinvent yourself to begin your career. This is what I want to share. Have a choice in your life, whether it's a coffee or a tea, or idli or a dosa. Okay, whatever it is, have a